How to fill out and submit your completed New Mexico Works personal wage record. In this video, you will learn about the process of filling out and submitting your completed New Mexico Works personal wage record. Your personal wage record is available for you to complete via a fillable PDF document that can be emailed to you. A paper copy can also be obtained from any Income Support Division office or mailed to you by your TANF career consultant. Personal and case information. To get started, enter your full name, case number, and the month and year you are reporting income for at the top of the form. You do not need to include your Social Security number anywhere on your personal wage record. Reporting your self-employment income. For every job where you receive payment, you'll need to enter the date the job was completed, the type of work performed or the items that were sold, the number of hours completed for that date, and the total dollar amount of income earned. Complete the expense chart by listing any business-related costs you had while earning your income. For each job, write a description of the expense and the amount spent. Make sure to complete both columns for each entry. At the end of the form, add up your total income and completed hours and your total expenses and enter those amounts on the final line of the income chart. Each column must be filled out for each paid job you completed during the month. Be sure all entries are accurate and completed. Please note that you must provide receipts for all claimed expenses if you want the Healthcare Authority, also known as the HCA, to reduce your reported income, which will likely increase your benefit amounts. You are required to report all jobs completed throughout the entire month. If you need more space, you may submit more than one personal wage record form for that month. Required signatures. You are required to sign and date your personal wage record. By signing, you confirm that the income listed is accurate and has been received. Your signature serves as your self-declaration and is verification of your self-employment income. This employment will be reported as income to the New Mexico Healthcare Authority and will reflect on your case. Please be aware that an increase in income may affect your benefits with the New Mexico Healthcare Authority, including but not limited to Medicaid, SNAP, LIHEAP, and TANF. How and when to submit your personal wage record. Your signature serves as your self-declaration and is verification of your self-employment income. This employment will be reported as income to the New Mexico Healthcare Authority and will reflect on your case. Once the form is complete, don't forget to sign and date it. Verification of completed activities is required every month for all New Mexico Works participants. Even if your work or income is similar from month to month, you must complete and submit a new form each month. Submitting this form monthly is an ongoing requirement. Please do not alter the format of the form by adding columns, rows, or table cells. Only 20 job entries per page will be counted. If the income report seems unreasonable or appears to be inaccurate, your career consultant may contact you for clarification or additional verification. Your personal wage record must be submitted to your career consultant by the 1st of each month, but received no later than the 5th of each month. It is important to stay on schedule. There are 4 ways to submit your personal wage record. In person at any local New Mexico Healthcare Authority office, by mail, by emailing your career consultant, or by upload to the Yes.New Mexico portal. Drop off your personal wage record to any Income Support Division office, which are open Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. through 4:30 p.m., or submit your personal wage record by mail to your TANF career consultant at Central Aspen Scanning Area, P.O. Box 830, Bernalillo, New Mexico 87004. There are two ways to submit electronic copies: by upload to the Yes New Mexico portal or by emailing your TANF career consultant. For email submission, send an email directly to your TANF career consultant. To upload your personal wage record to the Yes New Mexico portal, go to Yes.NM.gov. Sign in with your username and password. Go to the user dashboard and upload a new document under the My Uploaded Documents section. You will select that you are uploading your ISD-418 personal wage record. You and your TANF career consultant will both have access to view documents saved in this section. How your hours are determined. After your personal wage record is submitted, your career consultant will calculate your countable hours by subtracting your total expenses from your total income to determine your net income. That net income will then be divided by the current federal minimum wage to calculate the number of countable hours you completed for the month. If you are concerned you will not gain enough income and will be unable to meet your hours, please reach out to your career consultant as soon as possible to review if good cause exists. If you gain unsubsidized employment, or your circumstances have changed, please contact your TANF career consultant immediately. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to a TANF career consultant by calling 1-800-283-4465 and request to speak with New Mexico Works. And don't forget to ask your TANF career consultant to review if you are eligible for a Transportation Assistance gas card. Your success is our priority. We're here to help.